Okay.
Done, sir. We'll
Hello
try our
everyone.
best,
How are you?
inshallah.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah, fine, sir.
Are you in
What
good
about
health?
you, sir? Yes, sir, doing fine, sir.
Good. Today we'll be learning some of the notes that we
How
gave
are
you
you, sir?
before. We are talking about Kurt Vonnegut's Breakfast of Champion. This is a satire. This is he's going to deride some of the behavioral pattern of American society and people and culture at large. Now you see the title is intended to satirize the advertising technique of counter intuition of human beings. You see, normally it's our habit. We don't follow what people ask us to do. Usually, if you want to correct people, if you want to censure society, you have to do it in a roundabout manner. So that's why Kurt Vonnegut said it in a roundabout manner. You
Yes, sir.
understand what does it mean? If you say directly you are a bad person, people will never listen. You have to tell them in a opposite manner, then they will have some conscience or some sort of response to the situation. Otherwise there is no response or conscience, some sort of awakening. They should have some sort of awakening, because everybody is grown up people, and it's very difficult to teach grown up people. You cannot teach grown up people. They would not love to take your advice, because a
Yes,
grown
sir.
up person would always think that he knows better than you do. You
Yes, sir.
understand?
Because they have already known most of the things.
No, when you are a child, it's pretty easy to teach you. But once you are a grown up person, you might think the ideas that I'm giving you, you have a better idea. You know
Yes,
better
sir.
than
Yes,
me.
sir.
So it is very difficult to teach adult people than the children. So when
I
you are
also know
talking,
that, sir.
yeah, it's very difficult. As a matter of fact, you cannot teach mature people, because they might think that they have much better ideas than you do. So what he's
Yes,
doing,
sir. Yes.
Kurt Vonnegut, he's not going to tell you directly that you have some problem. He's going to say it in direct manner, so that you get the message through his writing. He would make fun of your behavior. Then you might have some sort of some sort of understanding of the whole situation. The novel tells us about a giant sea eagle called Bermuda Arn, a pelagic a pelagic raptor, great blue bird, which is facing extinction for its wrong behavior. This story is about a bird which is facing extinction because the bird has some behavioral problem. People lose job, people lose people people lose property because of their behavioral pattern. If you have a problem with your manners, if you have a problem with your behavior, you might lose a lot of things. You understand? So he's talking
Yes, sir.
about problems of American people's behavior. The problem is that they are not good at taking care of their children. The bird we are talking about, the bird has a problem. The bird destroys its egg before it's hatched. So if you destroy your children before they are grown up, you don't have a country. You understand? If you kill your children
Yes, sir.
before they are born, you don't have a future
Yes,
generation.
sir.
How would you expect to have a nation without a
Sir, why
future?
do they do that, sir?
I mean, a lot of girls go through abortion because they don't want the children. They might be enjoying, all the sexual pleasure and everything, but once she is pregnant, she doesn't want the child. So in a way, when
Oh,
once
yeah.
you have an abortion, you kill a human being. Not everyone is having a child out
Yes,
of
sir.
their love. Some there are some sort of accidents. A girl might get pregnant which she didn't want to, so she would
Sir,
definitely,
why humans compare with birds?
because human are behaving like birds.
Okay.
So,
If you are a
there
human
is
being, you should have emotion higher than the animals. And if you behave like a
Yes.
bird, what would I call you? I would rather call you a bird. It's not
Yes,
not
sir.
long
Very,
ago,
very
not
logical.
long ago we were in a with animals. So it's likely that
Yes.
even though we are very polished and civilized now, it is likely that we have some sort of animal behavior in us. So if you're given the opportunity, this animal behavior might come out in us. You understand?
So, sir, this story is satirizing the abortion,
Yes, of
the
course,
act of.
a lot of behavior, or not only abortion. You'll have at least 30, 50 behaviors that we do in our society, or in America, or in Japan, or in Bangladesh also. These are everywhere. People are behaving irrationally when they are about to take care of the children, their spouse, or society at large. Even in Bangladesh, you'd find a lot of children are left in the field. Girls are aborted because the child is not unwanted child. So it happens everywhere, but since the writer is American, he's talking about American perspective. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Effect of postmodernism.
Any question? Samad, did you
No,
want
sir,
to
not
ask?
at all.
Okay. You see,
No, sir.
okay,
No, sir, I haven't any
this
questions,
bird
sir.
has a weird habit. The bird just throws its eggs out of the nest before the egg is hatched. So it can resemble the situation with human being, because human being just destroys their child before the child is born. So how would you have a society in future? So he is expressing doubt that if we do not change our behavioral pattern, we might face extinction in the future. Do you understand?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sound quality is very poor, sir. Would you please?
Sound quality is
Yes,
poor.
sir.
You think it's poor?
Sir, we are hearing very clearly, sir, loud and clear, sir.
This is a very high quality headphone. I tried it. I checked it in the everywhere. It is good.
I guess my device is is poor condition.
Yeah, maybe your speaker is not working very well.
Okay,
Sir, we
sir.
are hearing very fine, sir.
Yeah, yeah. This is a good one. I know this is a
Maybe
good
there
one.
is a network problem.
Yeah,
Maybe
maybe he has a network problem.
Sarfuddin Bhai is
Yes,
facing network
there is a
problem.
network problem. Okay, it doesn't matter. Then you listen to it because you have the note printed there. I'm just reading it out and trying to make it understand. Now you see, it says that the bird is, you can resemble the situation of the bird with human being, because human beings are killing themselves even without knowing. We are destroying ourselves without knowing that we are doing it to us. You understand? You are harming yourself without knowing that you are harming yourself. That's why he is criticizing our behavior. Eh, He's criticizing our behavior. Next is it's saying that um,
Yes, sir.
the peculiar behavior of the female bird is causing the trouble. The female would kick their eggs from their nest before they are hatched. The female would kick their eggs from the nest, out of the nest. And if you destroy your egg, how would you have a baby? They are supposed to kick the fledgling after they are matured enough at the appropriate time. Normally what happens, if a child is grown up, you can throw it out, it can survive on its own. But if the child is not grown up, and if you throw it out of your house, it's going to die. You understand?
Yes, sir.
It's usual that birds usually throw their chicks out of the house once they're grown, because the chick would have to learn how to fly. You'd see it on TV or National Geographic that the birds would throw their
Yes, sir,
child.
I have seen in Nat Geo.
Yes, the nest, out of the nest, so that the chick can learn how to fly. But if you do not do it at
Fly.
appropriate time, if you do it before time, then it's a wrong behavior. Everything has an appropriate time. Everything has a good right moment. If
Yes,
you
sir.
do it on the wrong moment, you don't get it right at any cost. You understand?
Yes, sir.
We have a behavioral problem
Yes,
because
sir.
we don't do it at the right moment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are matured enough at the appropriate time. Dwayne is a wealthy businessman who owns much of Midland City. Unfortunately, Dwayne is actually mentally unstable and is undergoing a gradual mental collapse. You know, this guy is a very rich man, but he has no control over himself and he has ill health. You'd find in our society people who are rich, they don't have good health. They cannot eat that much. But on the other hand,
Most
people who are
of
poor,
them
they can eat a
suffer
good,
from diabetes.
yeah, people who are poor, they can
Diabetes
eat a
and
lot,
high blood pressure, sir.
they can eat a lot, they have very good health, don't they?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, this rich guy, he's the richest man around, but he doesn't have a good health and he's a kind of crazy. You understand? He doesn't know what to do with the money.
Yes, sir.
If you're rich and if you don't know how to do with the money, then what's the point having the money? Even if you're
Yes,
poor,
sir. What is the point to earn the money?
yeah, what's the point? I mean, earning all the money and you don't have any dignity, you don't have any self-esteem. What's the point? If I rob a bank, for example, and if people know that I'm a robber, what's the point robbing the bank? You don't have any dignity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
You understand?
Not
What
at all.
would you do with all the money
Yes.
if robbing people's money?
Yes,
Did
sir.
you
Right.
get it? You'd find a lot of people in our country
Yes, sir.
steal money, a lot of goods from people's property. I mean, what's the point taking someone else's product, someone else's money, and you become rich? Would that make any sense? It wouldn't make any sense. He's a rich
No,
man,
sir. Not
but he
at all.
cannot enjoy his riches, and he's a kind of deranged man. He's a kind of, that means he's a kind of crazy. Dwayne is confused and he demands a message from Kilgore. You don't have, if you don't have intelligence, you rely on other people for intelligence. But if that person is a naughty person, you are in deep trouble because he's going to give you all the bad knowledge.
Sir, who is this Kilgore?
Kilgore is a fiction writer. He's
Bumper
a
shop.
pulp fiction writer, and he can manipulate a lot of people because people believe him. You understand?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
People who do not have knowledge, they go to people with knowledge so that they can run their business. But the problem is, if your teacher is a bad teacher, you have a serious problem running your business. If you have a knowledge, no problem. But if you have a bad knowledge, you have a serious problem. If you have a teacher, good teacher, you are very good. But if you have a bad
Yes, sir. Yes.
teacher, you have a bleak future. You're going to be destroyed. So a teacher is going to determine what kind of future you're going to have. You understand? So Dwayne Hoover's teacher is Kilgore Trout because Dwayne Hoover doesn't have any knowledge. So he borrows knowledge from Kilgore Trout. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So and
Borrowed
now
knowledge.
the problem is Kilgore Trout is not real. He concocts stories. He makes up stories. So if you believe on someone who is lying all the time, how can you have a real life? If you believe on unreal thing, how would you expect to have a real life? Because Kilgore Trout is
Sir,
always
we are
writing
cheap.
all the unreal things. Understood? Kilgore
Sir, what
Trout is a science fiction writer.
sugar?
He is lying all the time. So if you trust him, how would you expect to be a nice person? If you make,
Never,
if you build your life believing Humayun Ahmed, what would happen to you? You will be totally destroyed because he just translated all the English book in Bengali.
Yes, sir. Just a destruction
You
in
don't
our
know
world.
that because I have read all these books he has read. He has written. All the books are translation from English stories, classical. And Bengali people don't know that. You understand? So it's very difficult.
Sir,
And maximum
Yes.
of them as like as Sir Hemu, a hotspot, sir.
Yeah. Horrible. I mean, I've seen he copied line by line from English novels. Even the Hechki, he copied even the
Rabindranath Tagore,
yeah,
Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, they're all thieves, all.
Rabindranath Tagore copied a lot from Scottish music.
Yes,
I went to England
yes.
and I was listening to English music. I found that all the music that I have heard from Rabindranath Tagore, they are copied from Scottish music. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if you
He has copied
if you
he has copied a poem from Sir W.B. Yeats.
yeah, there are a lot of things. All the music, the whole thing is copied. This is serious problem. Okay, you see, if the
Yes.
copy is not a problem. If you get it right, if you get it from the right person, if it's a good knowledge, no problem, you copy it. But if it's a bad knowledge you copy, you destroy the future generation. You know, Japanese never made a car. They copied it from Germany. And Japanese are the richest country in the world. Japanese never invented the car. They learned it from German, and they have become the richest country in the world by copying. Copying is not a problem, but if you copied wrong thing, it's a huge problem. Understood?
Yes, sir. We have to copy the appropriate thing.
Yeah, a lot of things are good things. You can copy them, no problem. We are copying the
As
religion
like a
of
China, sir.
Arabs. The religion we are
Sir, as
following are
like a
copy
China, sir.
of the Arabs. The religion Lawrence is following is a Roman. Is from Bethlehem. So if we copy something good,
Yes, sir.
that's okay.
So we have to copy as like as Chinese, sir.
Okay, Chinese are not bad. Chinese are doing very good now. Don't say Chinese are bad. China, we are using everything made in China. Even
Yes,
this
they are
laptop
doing
is
so.
made in China. That's I think this laptop is made in Taiwan or China. I think it's Chinese. That's why you have a very good camera installed in it.
Sir, is it Lenovo, sir?
Nah, this is Asus.
Sir, is it Lenovo?
This is Asus Core i3. It has 4
then,
GB.
then it is Taiwanese, sir.
Asus is Taiwan. It's 2 years
Taiwanese
warranty
brand,
and
sir.
it has Core i3, 4 GB video memory, is everything. You name it. But the camera is not very good. I'm very happy that the camera is not very good. If you
Very
wear
well
something,
configured, sir.
if you
Very
do not
well
wear very
configured.
nice clothes, people cannot tell. And even if you don't shave, people cannot tell. So it's a good camera.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you see. Now let's see what happens.
From that point of view, sir.
Yeah, you don't have to look good all the time because you're a teacher. It doesn't matter how you look. It doesn't matter if I look
Yes, sir.
like a hero or anything. Doesn't matter.
Albert Einstein was not so handsome, sir.
Yeah, he
But
was
he
bearded man.
But
Yeah.
he had the intelligence. Sir, yes.
No, yes, of course. Okay, you see, Dwayne received a novel from Kilgore, which he thought a message from the creator, according to the message. Dwayne it doesn't have a good knowledge base, so he doesn't believe in God. So whatever he reads would become his God. If you do not believe in God, you'd make your own God.
Yes, sir.
If you do not trust in God, what would happen? You would make your own God, and that's very destructive. Because if you create your own God, you don't know what is right, what is wrong, and you make your own
Anarchy will
right.
took the
You
place.
make your own right and wrong, and that's very catastrophic. That's what Dwayne Hoover did. He made his own God, and he made a mess out of the whole situation. If you discard your religion,
Yes.
if you give up your religion, you have to create a religion which will substitute the original religion. In that case, you make your own God, and that is very serious matter. That's what,
Very destructive, sir. Yes.
yeah, that's destructive. That's what Dwayne Hoover did. Did you get it?
Anarchy will take the place.
Yeah, anarchy. There will be anarchy everywhere.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. According to the message, he is the only sane person in the whole universe, and rest of the people are robots. When he read the novel, the message in the novel says that the person who is reading the novel is the only good person in the world. The rest of the people in the world are crazy. So it is the job of the person who is reading
Why?
the novel to straighten them out. You understand? Did you understand that? Lawrence, did you get it?
Why, sir?
Because he doesn't have any knowledge. The writer is his God. So whatever the writer
Yes,
is
sir.
saying, he's following the God. He's made up God. You
But
understand?
everyone don't get the chance to read the novels, sir.
No, he got the message from the novel. And the novel says that the reader is the only good person. The people around him are the crazy people. So it is his job to beat all of them and make them human. You understand? If you beat
Sir, I'm
people
not
around
clear,
you,
sir.
would they let you go?
No, sir.
No, it's not possible. Nobody would allow you to beat them. You're not their boss. You cannot boss everyone, even if you're their
Yes,
boss.
sir.
You have to be respectful to the people who are working for you. You understand? Even if
Yes, sir.
someone
Of
is
course.
working for you,
Of course,
you
sir.
should be nice with them. It doesn't
Yes,
mean
sir.
you have bought him.
Obvious.
You know, if someone works for
Yes.
you, does not mean that he's sold out totally.
I have.
He has some
Yes, sir. Yes,
choices,
sir. Yes.
he has some likes, and he can get sick. He has problems. He is a family man.
He has his independence.
Yeah,
Yes,
he
sir.
is a family man. He has some problems. You have to understand that.
Yes, sir. He has his dignity,
Yeah, he has
his own
dignity.
choices.
একটা বলি তুমি তো মাথা বিক্রি করে দাও নাই চাকরি করো দেখে এইজন্য। You understand?
Exactly, sir.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly. Okay,
We are
next.
not slaves at all.
Right. You see, um, he took the message as real and goes on to a destruction, beating his son, his lover, and 9 other people before taking into custody. Once he read the story, and since he doesn't have a creator, the writer has become his creator. He started destroying everything around him, and people handed him over to the police. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Since he was supposed to take care of the crazy, he turned himself into a crazy, and that's why he was taken to the police. That's how the
Police.
story
And
ended. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Please ask me question if you have any.
Sir, haven't any questions.
You don't have? Mr. Sharfuddin, you have any question?
I don't have, sir.
No, I did not
Do
go
you
through
follow?
the
Do
story.
you have a favorite writer? Sharfuddin, do you have anyone favorite
Sir?
writer? Do you have a favorite writer?
Yes, sir.
Who is your
I
favorite?
have my favorite novelist is
Humayun Ahmed?
Chinua Achebe.
Chinua Achebe.
I have
Things fall apart.
Achebe,
Things fall apart. Chinua
Things
Achebe.
Fall Apart.
Okay. Have you read that fiction? Things fall apart.
Yes, sir. I read
What does
that.
it mean by that? What does he mean by things fall apart?
Things with the aggression of white people in black Africa, with the imperialist
Attitude. Attitude.
were destroying everything. That means their culture,
They are
their
oppressing the Negroes.
Thank
They
you.
are
Thank
oppressing
you.
the black
Thank you,
people.
Sharfuddin. Lawrence Bishash,
So,
who is your favorite writer?
Pardon, sir.
Who is your favorite writer? Who is your favorite writer? Do you read fiction, novel?
No, sir.
You don't?
Hardly I get chance.
No, you don't get. Samad, do
study
you have a favorite writer? Samad, do you have a favorite
Yes,
writer?
sir. William Shakespeare, sir.
William Shakespeare. Okay, what do you like
Yes,
about him?
His writing style, sir.
His writing style?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
His writing styles, the plot of his dramas.
Okay. We have here Trisha. Trisha, are you there? Trisha?
Yes.
Sir, her microphone
Sir.
is.
Trisha, are you there?
I got it.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, do you have any question about that? Do you think you trust a writer? You have a favorite writer?
Sir, not yet.
Not? You don't like any novelist?
No, sir.
No? Are you going to come on camera because we are recording?
No, sir.
No. Nipu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you read any fiction?
Yes, sir.
Who is your favorite writer? Who is your
Sir,
favorite
William
writer?
Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare.
Sir,
Everybody likes.
Shakespeare.
Everybody likes Shakespeare.
Yes, sir.
Why do you like him?
Yes, sir.
I also
Why do you like him,
George
Nipu?
Orwell, sir.
Why do you like Shakespeare?
I don't. Sir, I don't know, but I like him.
Okay.
Everybody likes him.
That's why you like him. Thank you,
Yes.
Nipu. Thank you, Nipu. Jason Dalbert. Dalbert, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Do you have any question regarding this analysis that I gave you?
Sir, it is clear now.
It's clear now, na?
Kilgore is like symbolizing someone who is symbolizing the fiction.
Yes, no, he's
Science
playing
fiction.
God, you know, he's playing God. You know, you can playing God is a dangerous thing. For example, if your children ask for something and if you don't want to give them and if you play God with them, that's very dangerous. You should respect the opinion of people. If I dictate
Yes, sir.
everything, in when with my subordinates, then I'm playing God with them. Because if you play God with people, then when they're in trouble, they cannot face how to resolve the problems. You understand?
Yeah.
They would have
Yes,
problem
yes.
resolving the situations if I play God in every situation. Usually, when a child is growing, you should allow the child to do everything by himself or herself. Otherwise, if you're not
Yes, sir,
there,
exactly.
the child is helpless.
They become puppet.
Yeah, they become useless because their parents are not there. They don't know how to do anything.
They are
So,
becoming idols.
yeah, they are idle and they don't know how to do anything. Even they cannot cook their food. They will cry all the day and night if their parents are not there. We
They have
we
become
just
dependent,
we pamper our children
dependent
so
on
much
others.
that we do not allow them to do anything. But that's not very nice.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are also
Totally.
same, no?
You're also same. Do you cook your food, Dalbot? Can you
No,
cook?
sir. I'm saying in a sense that when we are doing some jobs under some company,
Yeah,
so we are forced to do what we don't like to do. So we are forced on.
you're forced to do what they asked you to do, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
And that's very
yeah.
uncomfortable.
And like, yeah.
So you don't like the job you do, Dalbot? Do you like your job?
Sir, I don't like, sir.
You don't like. What do you do, Dalbot?
We have got another one, sir.
What do you do?
Sir, very long story. I will
Very
tell
long.
you next time.
Okay, no problem. No problem. We have, who else do you have? Jannatul Naim. Jannatul Naim, are you there?
Sir,
Huh?
have you
Yeah.
read the book of Khalil Gibran?
Yes, I did.
Yeah,
It's a very
the
good book.
prophet.
It is very
The
good book.
prophet.
It just reveals the reality of life, the existence. It tells the
The mirror
existence,
of
why we are here on earth, and where are we going.
this idea is similar to the writings of Friedrich Nietzsche.
Nietzsche, yes, existentialism.
Yes, sir.
Nietzsche, Friedrich Nietzsche. But again, you know that the Nietzsche, when he was writing, the situation was not very good in Europe. They were very struggling.
Yeah.
There was sickness, there was
Going through
disease,
some-
there was pain. It was very bad time for Europe when Nietzsche was writing, when these guys were writing. But situation is different now. People are affluent now. People can eat good. The life expectancy is high now. Everything is better than it was before. So you would not expect to make an analogy from the past to the present. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you try to be better and hope for the best. You'll get better life, inshallah.
No, I'm not depressed, sir.
Yeah, don't
I'm
get
happy.
depressed. Don't feel bad. The situation today is bad, but tomorrow it will be better.
I'm
Just work hard.
Talbot
If you
boy is
work hard,
always
you're going to
happy mind.
make it. Okay, this is the first session. We're going to end the first session. And if you have any question, you just tell me.
Sir, is our time set it for 40 minutes?
sir. Better to take attendance, sir.
Yeah, I should be taking some attendance. Yeah, okay. I have this on laptop. Okay, let me see how do you do that.
Sir.
Window and print screen. I think I got it.
Can I help you, sir?
Window plus print screen. I did it. Thank you very much.
Okay.